anniversary of losing a lot of weight or starting that journey about, I don't know, 10, 12 years ago. In 2005, snuck in the very back of the Peachtree, unnumbered, and just ran it, and it was slow and painful, but that got me going, and I've been doing it ever since.
Been running it about 13, 14 years, had a couple accidents, put me out a couple of years, but I'm ready to get back in shape and be some of the front runners and not the behind runners. I love this race.
It's like a mix of homecoming. Like this race, I mean, obviously it's been around for decades, right? But it's like something I recall, like being on the sidelines as a little kid watching my uncle, you know, competed it back in the day, and being like, one day I'm going to do that, you know. And every time I get to come back here and run with Rachel or, you know, our gang of other friends that are around, you know, it's like a little mini homecoming. Like no matter where you are in the world, you know, you all can come back on this date and like run down the street, see a bunch of old friends and family, you know, so it's kind of cool.
It's a lot of fun. I like being out here with all the people. It's kind of like, to me, the closest thing you can get to like feel like running pro, because you have people cheering for you like the whole time, and it's super awesome just to see everybody out here.